This is an emergency alert issued by the California Office of Emergency Services. A catastrophic failure has occurred at the Diablo Canyon Power Plant as of 2:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Authorities are assessing the situation, but preliminary reports indicate a significant release of radioactive material. Do not panic. Follow these instructions immediately to ensure your safety. Shelter in place. If you are within a 50-mile radius of the incident, go indoors immediately and seal all windows, doors, and ventilation systems. Use heavy materials like plastic sheeting and duct tape to minimize exposure. Do not attempt to evacuate unless instructed by officials. Radiation levels outside may be lethal. Turn off all air circulation systems. This includes HVAC units, fans, and vents. Radioactive particles spread through the air. Sealing your home is critical. Use stored water only. Municipal water supplies may be contaminated. Do not drink tap water until further notice. If you do not have stored water, drain your water heater or use melted ice from freezers. Stay indoors for at least 24 to 72 hours. Radiation levels will be highest immediately after the event. Moving outside risks fatal exposure. Monitor emergency broadcasts for updates. If you were outside during the incident, remove all clothing outdoors before entering your home. Place contaminated items in sealed bags and shower thoroughly with soap, not hot water, as it opens pores. Food safety. Consume perishable food first. Sealed or canned goods are safest. Avoid unpackaged food exposed to outside air. Do not use phones unless absolutely necessary. Overloading communication networks may hinder emergency response. Updates will be broadcast on this frequency. Stay tuned to official channels. Do not rely on social media or unverified sources. This is not a drill. Your survival depends on following these instructions. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the nearest shelter immediately to prevent exposing yourself to radioactive materials. Repeat, shelter in place, seal your home, and await further guidance.
False alarm. There is no failure to a power plant or danger to the state of California. Repeat, there is no failure to a power plant or danger to the state of California. False alarm.